Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to review Zoho Books pricing features and compare them with QuickBooks. If you're evaluating accounting software for your business, understanding the pricing tiers and features of both platforms side by side can help you make a more informed decision about which one fits your budget and needs. Let's start with Zoho Books. Open your web browser and navigate to zoho.com/books. Once you're on the page, go ahead and log in to your Zoho Books account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll be taken to your main dashboard where you can access all your accounting tools and settings. Now look towards the top right corner of the screen and click on the gear icon. This will open your settings menu, which is where you can manage various aspects of your account, including billing and subscription details. In the settings menu, you'll notice a search bar at the top. Type in subscription, and from the results that appear, click on the option labeled Manage Subscription. This is where Zoho keeps all the information related to your current plan and available upgrades. A new browser tab will open up, and this is where things get interesting. From here, you can review all the pricing tiers and features that Zoho Books offers. Scroll down to see the full list of plans available. Zoho Books typically offers several tiers, each with different feature sets, user limits, and pricing structures. Take your time to review what each plan includes, such as invoicing capabilities, inventory management, tax compliance features, and integrations with other tools. Now that you've reviewed Zoho Books pricing, it's time to compare it with QuickBooks. Open a new browser tab and type in quickbooks.intuit.com. This will take you directly to the QuickBooks homepage. Once you're there, look for the Plans and Pricing option, usually located in the top navigation menu, and click on it. This will direct you to a page that displays all the QuickBooks plans along with their pricing and feature breakdowns. Scroll down to review the different QuickBooks plans. You'll notice they also offer multiple tiers, each designed for different business sizes and needs. Compare the features listed here with what you saw on Zoho Books. Pay attention to things like the number of users allowed, reporting capabilities, payroll options, and customer support levels. This side-by-side comparison will give you a clear picture of which platform offers better value for your specific requirements. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.